Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke Kotkhubor baman kasni, belawan Rashapi da ke Rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Kotkhubor pareng belatip kerteng The Shillong Times kala Pynbna bahkan sedang ya kejing Rakhe ke Lyngkhuh nyopsan Snem jongka nadu ka khandai trik unailar mentau Snem arjar kat khandai halor ka phang pedeng banwan ra ya ki saudong saukun ki ba khoj basuba ya kate kejing Rakhe on wan pli pajba dau menteri khana badai pe ka donor u Dr. Jitendra Singh harangkat kejing don lang menteri lang ba ka jela u konrat ke sangma ha kejing lang ka bansalong ha u sosotham auditorium Shillong. Katkum kejing itu jong Managing Director Kotkhubor The Shillong Times Manas Chaudhry ula ongru bakin kejing Rakhe kan long kamsi benta wan kersiu thia ya kinong shong snong bakin smuthu baki don kam mun sumar bapun khoj ya kamariang bat ki saudong saukun jongka nakaliang jongka editor jong ni Kotkhubor pareng ka kong Patricia Mukhem kala ong bah katai kejing Rakhe on don lang ru u afrosya urang ba buladon meta ban pun khoj ki jabo japan jong garut duriau Versova ha Mumbai.
What we are thinking of is how to make the year count. That we must make some difference to the place we live in and to the people we are supposed to serve. So we have thought and we have decided that we will go for environmental protection. This will be the theme that year-long celebration will focus on environment, keeping our urban areas clean, keeping our streams and rivulets and rivers clean, and also to waken up the people to do their part. Because we believe that only the government cannot do it, we the people will have to do it ourselves. So we are going to play as a media house. We will try to awaken the people and we will try to mobilize their support. For that, we have done a preliminary discussion with the government because we people alone cannot do it. So we had a very receptive Chief Minister, Conrad K. Sangma. He called a meeting of the officers, Chief Secretary and everybody down the line up to the Assembly, CEO, District Deputy Commissioner, and there was a brainstorming and a decision has been made by the government, as far as the government is concerned, that they will do a long-term project for cleaning the walls, for cleaning up the streets, cleaning the drains, and taking holistic approach towards mitigating the sufferings of the people on account of lack of hygiene, lack of cleanliness, lack of solid waste, garbage accumulation. So all these things government is doing. We from the Shillong Times Organizing Committee, Platinum Jubilee Organizing Committee, we have decided to back it up. And we have decided we will bring people. This job we can do. We can bring the university people, we can bring the college students, we can bring school students, we can bring various NGOs to come and do the job. Because I think it's far too long we have waited for the government to deliver. But government alone cannot deliver. So that's the message we are giving to the people.
So to give ourselves a boost, because we've tried this in the past and somehow or the other we have not been able to sustain this initiative of cleaning the Umkra or cleaning the Umsherpi. So this time we are bringing in Advocate Afroz Shah. If you Google him, you'll find how he single-handedly and had brought together people to clean up the beaches of Bombay. To be very specific, the Versova beach. So Afroz is coming in on the 8th and he has given us a list of things that he wishes to do and he believes in doing, not so much in talking. And he wants to start by cleaning up the dirtiest place. So we will have to
in
Shillong. So we will have to think of what is that dirtiest place and what's the modus operandi will follow, because we need to fit in his schedule for those 2 days. So Afroz has also said that he doesn't believe in one-time events or one-time cleaning drives. So he is going to do a tie-up with us to be coming in for at least a whole year, as long as is needed. And that takes a lot from him because he is never free. He's now the United Nations icon for the environment. So that is one good thing we feel we've been able to somehow bring together. Then we have a list of other events which will include, like sit and draw for children. We may have essay competitions. We will have, in the program we will have 3 main speakers. One is Mr. Kaushik Dekka from Delhi, who is with India Today. He will be speaking about why the Northeast has not been able to progress at the pace that it should. Then we will have Mark Stone of Avenues to speak about what it takes to be an entrepreneur, a young entrepreneur. Then we have Anis Norona. She is a student of St. Anthony's College. She is very passionate about the environment and she's traveled places to speak on the environment. So she will be speaking on the environment. Afroz will also be speaking. Then for this year, we can have only 2 programs, one of which is in October, but which we will be declaring subsequently. But for now, it is our plea that we should all work together. After all, this is the only planet we have, and we know how much it's suffering, and we know that each of us has a responsibility. In fact, Afroz has already told us that when I come to a function, I don't want to see any single-use plastics on the table or anywhere near him. So I think if we as media outlets could take up this campaign, I think it's high time, because we saw that Umiam tsunami, with all the plastics landing up there. So if we could each of the media houses take a pledge to start this campaign for a plastic-free kind of city, I think it will be a real help to Mother Nature.
So college students and university students, the idea is to enthuse them to use their 2 hands. We always talk, we always criticize, but we never use our 2 hands. This man, Afroz Shah, has shown what 2 hands can do. He started it alone, carried the garbage on his head, and today Bombay is clear, at least the beaches are clear, totally clear, and the world has taken recognition of his contribution. And therefore he is, as Kongpet rightly said, that he has become the United Nations icon when it comes to cleaning up the garbage in the urban areas concerned. So he is an international figure, and he is coming to Shillong with a mission, not to just speak and address and say hello to you. He will come and see that the people of Shillong wake up and start cleaning up the garbage. He will go himself. On the 8th he will arrive, and 9th he will stay. These 2 days he will start working and cleaning up the garbage wherever we take him. So we are selecting a place where we will take him, and he will start the work. But it's not going to be a one-off kind of a wonder. He is going to come again and again to see that Shillong is a cleaner place. So this is the message he is giving to us, and we are happy that from the Shillongians we are able to contribute this little bit. We need to be contributing. As Kongpat rightly said, that all the media houses must make it a point to highlight the problems of garbage. I mean, if other places can do it, why can't we? And I believe that everybody's home is very spick and span. But the public places is where we have the problem. So if I can keep my house clean, why can't I keep my neighborhood clean? So that's the challenge we are going to pose to the people of Shillong.